Good morning, boys and girls. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great and that you are ready to begin today's morning meeting. So if you can please stand up, put your right hand across your chest, we are going to do the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge of allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge of allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Thank you, boys and girls. You may be seated. Now we are going to go over the 7 days of the week.
Healthy music for a child's heart, body, and mind. 7 days of the week from Preschool Learning Fun by The Learning Station. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to sing them quiet. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to sing them loud. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to clap them out. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to stomp them out. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to sing them proud. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I'd like to sing again. 7 days are in a week. I'd like it one more time. 7 days are in a week. Please click here to
Awesome. Now we are going to go over the months of the year song.
January, February, March and April, May and June and July and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. January, February, March and April, May and June and July and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. January, February, March and April, May and June and July and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. These are the months of the year.
Awesome job. So now, good morning. We are going to go over today is, yesterday was, and tomorrow will be. So today, boys and girls, is Friday, finally Friday, May 21st, 2021. And if today is Friday, yesterday was Thursday. Yes, good job. Yesterday was Thursday. And if yesterday was Thursday, today is Friday. What will tomorrow be? Yes, good job. Tomorrow will be Saturday. Now today's weather. So today's weather is sunny and hot. The sun is out and it will be getting hot later on. So for today's mood meter, I want to know how you all are feeling today. So today, Miss Gonzalez is feeling happy because it is Friday and school is almost over and we are going to be out for summer vacation. That makes Miss Gonzalez very, very happy, boys and girls. Now, I want to know how you all are feeling today. Okay, that is awesome. I hope everybody is in the yellow and green area, and for some reason, if you are not, I hope your frown turns upside down and you join the green and yellow team on the other side. So now we are going to go over your rise schedule. So you will have breakfast and morning meeting. After that, you will do personal hygiene. Today is Friday. We usually do IEP goals. However, for today, we're going to do life skills and social skills. Once you have done your life skills or social skills, have some fun, do some center, some playtime, some free time, guys. Just don't think about work. Just have a little time for yourself. Then you will do story time. Please do not forget to read. Whether it's a book or you do the read out loud on Teams, anything, but as long as you have some reading time. After that, it is a lunch. I hope you have a good, delicious meal to eat, and once your lunch has gone down, do not forget to do exercise. You can do a gold noodle dance or just dance, or anything that has your heart rate move up, boys and girls. I need you up and moving just for a little bit. If you don't know what activities to do, here are some. You can do the hula hoop. You can play tag if you have somebody to play tag with. Maybe ride a bike or take a walk. However, if you're going to do any of these things, make sure you go with an adult. I do not want you all alone in the streets or anywhere far from your house. So please remember that if you're going to go anywhere, you must have an adult with you at all times. So now, boys and girls, here are all your teachers' information. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. We are always here to help. If not, once you have done your assignment, do not forget to submit it to Teams so we can give you a grade. Also, give a thumbs up for attendance. Once you have done those two things, you are good for today, boys and girls. 1 week to go, just one more week, boys and girls. We are out for summer vacation. I hope you have a good rest of your day. We will see you here back on Monday.